there, tech fans. Colin here again with a brand new product review, and today we've got our hands on Emeet's new all-in-one wireless live streaming camera. This is the Streamcam 1 from Emeet. This is a awesome all-in-one unit that's going to give you everything you need to get started live streaming on a multitude of different platforms. And if you even want to increase your production game, they have an application that comes with this where you can pair multiple of these cameras into the same mixing board app, switch between them at your will. It is a very advanced piece of technology with a very easy user simplistic front-facing front end, and it is just super fun to use, and it is so easy to use as well. So let's not waste any time and let's get right into what's in the box. We're immediately greeted with this super duper nice Emeet right here, Emeet branded case with a good zipper all the way around, revealing the camera and its accessories all wonderfully packaged inside there in their own individual sections. So we've got the big kahuna here. This is the camera itself, which is going to be sporting a big full HD lens right there on the front. And if you look on the bottom of the lens right there, you can see that it's got a built-in microphone in the camera. So that's a nice little addition right there that is pretty darn good, so that you don't need to have an external microphone if you don't want to, but you can if you do. Because if you look around the back here, you can see that there is a standard 3.5mm port for a standard cable for putting in a microphone. There is a SIM card so that you can store all of your footage locally on each camera. And then there is a USB-C port right there on the side so that you're going to be able to plug this into a computer to extract the footage later or just to charge it, any sort of thing like that. So looking at what else we have in this package here, we can see that we're given a really nice quality lapel microphone here. It's got a nice clip on the back so that you can attach it to any sort of piece of clothing. The microphone end is on this side right here, and it's even got a power/active mute button on the side. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but it's right here on the side, and you can press that for a quick mute or whatever you want. And you might be wondering how to charge this with no ports, but that's because it's got an awesome magnetic attachment port right on top of the camera right there. You can see that receiving end on both sides right there. And all you do is you drop it on top, and it is going to be functioning as a attached microphone while charging it as well. So you can have a one on top boom microphone style scenario here, where you can be just having the camera pointed at a subject like this, and they're going to be able to pick up everything that you're talking to. Or you can have the camera on a tripod scenario with the lapel mic attached to the user after you've charged it, and it's going to be effective in both scenarios. Or if you don't want to use the lapel mic at all, it's still got that built-in quality microphone right there as well. So lots of options for audio capture with this microphone. It's just awesome how they've made it all into one small unit. No cables, no wires or anything going around. It's just all powered in this one device. It's really clever. On the bottom, you can see that it's got a standard screw right there for any sort of tripod. On the back of the box here, you can see that they've got it set up on a nice tripod right there. So that's what your rig might be looking like if you have it set up in front of you or some sort of a set or anything like that. But if we look inside here, we can see that there's also some extra accessories that come inside the bag as well. We're given a nice little pop filter for our microphone right there. I don't want to take that out because I want to save it and keep it nice and clean for when we're recording. But you can just slide that over the front of the microphone right there to save yourself some wind noise and things like that. Definitely a nice little addition. And right here, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable that also comes with a USB-C to USB-A attachment adapter, so that anybody who still might have a computer that doesn't have USB-C support, you're still going to be covered with this all-in-one kit, because you're going to be able to put USB-C into the device and then USB-A into your computer. So don't worry about that. If you're worried about USB-C and you're still on a couple devices that don't have it, you're covered. So that's really all we've got inside the box here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pair this up with the app on the phone. It's just as simple as opening up the app, being on a Wi-Fi network, and then holding down the power button on the back. It'll automatically go into pairing mode until it finds a device to pair with. It's so simple to pair up with the phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up on my tripod, and I'm going to give you guys a look at how good the quality of the video looks and the audio as well. So I'll see you guys in that next clip. Take care. Hey there again, tech fans. I'm here now on the Emeet camera using the Emeet built-in microphone. There are no filters whatsoever applied to this, audio or visually, and it is just as simple as pairing it with your phone right here. You can see that there is a nice application built straight in where you can see your video feed right there, live, a little bit delayed because it's coming through the Wi-Fi. As well as that, there's an option where you can click the live button here, and you can choose from a huge plethora of different live streaming platforms that you can log into and live stream straight from the Emeet camera through this app. As well as that, you can see that there's multiple room down here for other different sorts of camera options. And what that means is that you're going to be able to add a bunch of different cameras to this and switch between which feeds you're broadcasting out into the live stream. Kind of like a mixer, and it's all built straight into the app right here. Definitely cool and definitely pretty advanced from Emeet. So the fact that they have all of this built into one unit is a super cool project that they've done here. I think that it's a great addition to anybody's live streaming kit if they want to keep things a little bit more small, condensed, and concise. You found it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Colin, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.